Good evening, everyone. I'm Mridula, studying second year BSc IT at Avinash Lingam University. This is the agenda for the evening. We will be learning about what is blockchain technology, how was it evolved, is it one of the greatest invention found in this particular decade, what is blockchain and what is the difference between blockchain and the bank. Will blockchain make the future? Bitcoin and blockchain, what is digital ledger technology? And we'll see the benefits and the application of the same. Blockchain is the biggest opportunity set we can think of over the next decade or so. This is said by Bob Garfield, Nasdaq Chief Executive. Okay, now what is blockchain technology? Blockchain is shared immutable ledger for recording transactions, tracking assets, and building trust. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger for all transactions across a peer-to-peer network. Using this technology, participants can confirm transactions without a need for a central clearing authority. Potential applications can include fund transfer, settling trades, voting, and many other issues. Blockchain is shared immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions and tracking assets in a business network. An asset can be tangible or intangible. Virtually anything of value can be tracked and traded on a blockchain network, reducing the risk and cutting the costs for all involved. Now, what is a blockchain? We have a block and another block, and those blocks contain any information, like any kind of information, as many blocks as needed. Each one chronologically connected to the blocks behind and front of it. When a new information is added, any kind of information, a new block is added. If previous information or data is changed, a new block is added. This information is the block. The information in this block is secure because a blockchain is a digital ledger system stored across a variety of networks. A system that can be programmed to record and track anything of value. Blockchain, one of the history's greatest inventions. A recent report by Cointelegraph suggests that blockchain technology, the decentralized ledger system that supports the cryptocurrency world, may be the most important invention since the internet. The blockchain does have some things in common with the groundbreaking innovations like the radio, electricity, and the internet. Many things of blockchain technologies believe that it could be one day rank among electricity and the internet as one of the most important inventions. Although such claims are inherently subjective, expert assessments of the greatest invention generally fall into several categories. Blockchain technology falls into several of these categories with potential to reinvent supply chains, healthcare, and IT infrastructure. Although there are still doubts about the blockchain's potential supporters, they say that it could become one of the most important technologies. However, enthusiasm for distributed ledger technology is still far from universal. After over 10 years, very few people use cryptocurrencies or other blockchain technologies in their daily lives. This shows an extremely slow rate of adoption compared to the electricity or radios. By comparison, within 10 years of the launch of the World Wide Web, hundreds of billions of people were using it on a daily basis. In order to rank the most useful inventions, blockchain would need to find a convincing use case. Many of the most influential inventions of all time have such a broad range of applications that it's difficult to properly categorize them. In case of the blockchain technology, it is likely that it will take some time before anyone can convincingly argue that it has earned a place among the most important innovations in history. People say that blockchains are global and decentralized. But why? Here is a ledger which are essentially lists of who owns what, which are top secret ledger. Imagine taking one ledger and giving it to thousands of people all around the world. Each person maintains their own copy and checks it against everyone else to make sure that no fraud is happening. This is all done using specialized computer software, but a change made in one copy of ledger is not reflected to others. To sum up, we have taken the private ledger and made it public. So the blockchain is decentralized and no one entity holds all the power. Now the question is, how does blockchain actually work? Let us imagine we are using Bitcoin. In order to use it, we need an account on Bitcoin blockchain. Our account will have two parts, public key and private key. Public key are often called as public addresses. The terms are a bit different, but it kind of works like our email account. We share our email addresses to people so they can send us information. We share our public address three generations we use to divide the process into stages. In similar way, it is possible to look back on the development of blockchain and also divide it into stages which are marked off by important developments and inventions. Blockchain technology has only been in existence for a fraction of time that internet has. So it's likely that there are still important developments to come. Even now, though experts have begun to divide the history of blockchain into at least three important stages. Stage 1, Bitcoin and digital currencies. In the earliest stage, blockchain set up the basic premise of a shared public ledger that supports a cryptocurrency network. Satoshi's idea of blockchain made use of 1 megabyte blocks of information on Bitcoin transactions. Blocks are linked together through a complex cryptographic verification process, forming an immutable chain. Even in its early guises, blockchain technology set up many of the central features of the systems, which remain today. Indeed, Bitcoin's blockchain remains largely unchanged from these earliest efforts. Stage 2, Smart contracts. As time went on, developers began to believe that blockchain could do more than simply document transactions. The major innovations brought about by Ethereum was the advent of smart contracts. Typically, contracts between the main system business are managed between two separate entities, sometimes with the other entities assigning in the oversight process on a blockchain. They are triggered by an event like the passing of an expiration date or the achievement of a particular price goal. In response, the smart contract manages itself, making adjustments as needed and without the input of outside entities. Stage 3, the future. One of the major issues facing blockchain is scaling. Bitcoin remains troubled by transaction processing time and bottlenecking. Many new digital currencies have attempted to revise their blockchains in order to accommodate these issues, but with varying degrees of success. In the future, one of the most important developments paving the way for blockchain technology going forward will likely to have to deal with the scalability. Blockchains versus banks. Banks are decentralized blockchains are vastly different. To see how a bank differs from a blockchain, let's compare the banking system to a blockchain implementation. Hours, hours open. In a typical brick and mortar bank are open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on the weekdays. Some banks are open on the weekends, but with limited hours. All banks are closed on banking holidays, whereas on blockchain, no set hours, open 24 by 7, 365 days a year. Transaction fee. In bank, fee varies based upon the card and it is not paid by the user directly. Fees are paid to the payment processor by stores and are actually charged per transaction. The effect of this fee can sometimes make the cost of goods and services rise. Bitcoin has variable transaction fee determined by miners and users. This fee can range between $0 to $50, but users have the ability to determine how much of a fee they are willing to pay. This creates an open marketplace where if the user sets their fee too low, to their transaction may not be processed. Transaction speed. In banks, the transaction speed is within 24 hours unless international transaction. Bank transfers are not typically processed on weekends or bank holidays. In blockchain, Bitcoin transaction can take as little as 15 minutes, as much as over an hour depending on the network congestion. Rules. Bank accounts and other banking products require Know Your Customer (KYC) procedures. This means it is legally required for banks to record customers' identification prior to opening an account. In blockchain, anyone or anything can participate in Bitcoin's network with no identification. In theory, even an entity equipped with artificial intelligence could participate. Ease of transfer. Government issued identification, bank account and mobile number are the minimum requirement for a digital transfer in banks. Whereas in blockchain, an internet connection and a mobile phone are the minimum requirement. Privacy. Bank account information is stored on the bank's private server and held by the client. Bank account privacy is limited to how secure the bank server are and how well the individual user secures their own information. If the bank's server were to be compromised, then the individual's account would be as well. Bitcoin can be as private as the user wishes. All Bitcoin is traceable, but it is impossible to establish who has ownership of Bitcoin if it was purchased anonymously. If Bitcoin is purchased on a KYC exchange, then a Bitcoin is directly tied to the holder of the KYC exchange account. Security. Assuming the client practices solid internet security measures like using secure passwords and two-factor authentication, a bank account's information is only as secure as bank's server that contains client account information. In blockchain, the larger the Bitcoin network grows, the more secure it gets. The level of security a Bitcoin holder has with their own Bitcoin is entirely up to them. For this reason, it is recommended that people use cold storage for larger quantities of Bitcoin or any amount that is intended to be held for a long period of time. Approved transactions. Banks reserve the right to deny transactions for a variety of reasons. Banks also reserve the right to freeze accounts. If your bank notices purchases in an unusual location for an unusual item, they can be denied. The Bitcoin network itself does not dictate how Bitcoin is used in any shape or form. Users can transact Bitcoin how they fit, but should be adhered to the guidelines of their country or region. Account seizures. Due to KYC laws, government can easily track people's bank accounts and seize the assets within them variety of reasons. If Bitcoin is used anonymously, governments would have a hard time tracking down to seize it. Forget Bitcoin. Is blockchain the future? Blockchain technology has its application across many industries. Blockchain is already using state identity management smart contracts, supply chain analysis, and much more. Full blockchain technology likely remains to be difficult. Broader payment. Additionally, the transfer of dollars has been both expensive and slow, and especially for payments in case of international borders. One reason this is that when many countries are involved, the transfer process typically requires the participation of multiple banks in multiple locations before the intended recipient can actually get his These are exciting services to help facilitate this process in a faster way, but these tend to be quite expensive. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are often seen as high powerful application of blockchain technology. These contracts are actually computer programs that can oversee all aspects of an agreement, from facilitation to execution. When conditions when conditions are met, When conditions are met, smart contracts can be entirely self-executing and self-enforcing. For prominence of smart contracts, these tools provide more secure and more automated alternative to traditional contract law, as well as application that is faster and cheaper than traditional methods. Identity management. One of the most problematic results of the internet age has been identity security. As vigilant as many individuals and organizations are in maintaining their own online identities and secure private information, there are always nefarious actors looking to steal and profit off these digital items. Blockchain technology has already demonstrated the potential for transforming the way that online identity management takes place. At this point, blockchain technology with an exceptional broad set of potential use, although blockchain is most famous for its connections to blossoming cryptocurrency world. Several other applications have already been explored. Bitcoins and blockchain. Many may think that both are the same entity, but blockchain is not Bitcoin. Blockchain is the underlying technology that enables Bitcoin, like how an engine can power a tractor. The Bitcoin protocol is built on a blockchain. The key thing to understand here is that Bitcoin merely uses blockchain as a means to transparently record a ledger of payments. But blockchain can, in theory, be used immutably record any number of data points. As discussed above, this could be the form of transaction, votes in an election, product inventory, state identification, deeds to homes, and much more. Currently, there is a vast variety of blockchain-based projects for implementing blockchain in ways to help society other than just recording transactions. One good example is that blockchain being used as a way to vote in a democratic election. The nature of blockchain's immutability means the fraudulent voting would become far more difficult to occur. This is just a small illustration of how a blockchain works. When a transaction is first requested, a block that represents the transaction is created. It is sent to the node. Node is nothing but a ledger within the secure connection. The node validates the transaction. Nodes receive a reward for the proof of work. A block is added to the existing blockchain. The transaction is completed. Distributed ledger technology, DLT. Distributed ledger technology refers to the technological infrastructure and protocols that allow simultaneous access, validation, and record updating in an immutable manner across a network. that spread across multiple entity or locations. DLT, more commonly known as blockchain technology, was introduced by Bitcoin and now is a buzzword in technology world, given its potential across industries and sectors. In simple words, DLT is all about the idea of decentralized network against the conventional centralized mechanism, and it is deemed to have far-reaching implications on sectors and entities that have long relied upon the trusted third party. A distributed ledger stands in contrast to a centralized ledger, which is the type ledger that most companies use. A centralized ledger is more prone to cyber attacks and frauds as its single point of failure. Underlying distributed ledgers is the same technology that is used by a blockchain, which is the technology that is used by Bitcoin. Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger used by Bitcoin. Distributed ledger is a database synchronized and accessible across different sites and geographies by multiple participants. The need for a central authority to keep a check against manipulation is eliminated by the use of distributed ledger. Underlying distributed ledger is the same technology that is used by blockchain, which Bitcoin uses as its distributed ledger. A distributed ledger can be described as a ledger of any transactions or contracts maintained in a decentralized form across different locations and people. Cyber attacks and financial frauds are reduced by the use of distributed ledgers. DLT allows to store all information in a secure and accurate manner using cryptography. The same can be accessed using keys and cryptographic signatures. Once the information is stored, it becomes an immutable database and is governed by the rules of network. Difference between blockchain and DLT. Blockchain is one of the distributed ledgers use independent computers to record, share, and synchronize transactions in their respective electronic ledgers. Blockchain organizes data into blocks, which are chained together in an append-only mode. Most companies use centralized database that lives in a fixed location. A centralized database essentially has a single point of failure. However, a distributed ledger is decentralized to eliminate the need for a central authority or intermediary to process, validate, or authenticate transactions. Enterprises use distributed ledger technology to process, validate, or authenticate transactions or other types of data exchanges. Typically, these records are only ever stored in the ledger when the conscience has been reached by other parties involved. All files in the distributed ledgers are then time-stamped and given a unique cryptographic signature. All of the participants on the distributed ledger can view all the recorded records in question. The technology provides a verifiable and auditable history of all information stored on that particular dataset. A blockchain is essentially a shared database filled with entries that must be confirmed and encrypted. How are blockchain and a distributed ledger different? The most important difference to remember is that blockchain is just one type of a distributed ledger. Unlike blockchain, a distributed ledger does not necessarily need to have a data structure in blocks. A distributed ledger is merely a database spread across multiple sites, regions, or participants. On the surface, distributed ledger sounds exactly how probably envision a blockchain. However, all blockchains are distributed ledgers. But remember that not all distributed ledgers are blockchains. Whereas blockchain represents a type of distributed ledger, it is also merely a subset of them. Is blockchain technology really secure? Blockchain, a distributed ledger technology, is focused on creating trust in an untrusting ecosystem, making it potentially strong cybersecurity technology. Private analyst says that he believes the blockchain technology could be used as a cybersecurity shield. This tamper-proof decentralized feature has made blockchain increasingly popular beyond its original function, supporting Bitcoin digital transactions. Many cutting-edge finances firms, for instance, and have blockchain to exhibit processes and cut the costs without compromising security. Though blockchain has several advantages over the other systems, there are still few challenges in terms of compliance, regulations, and enforcement that will need to be addressed. Protection of sensitive records and authentication of identity user, especially in the banking sector. Data manipulation can be spotted with the help of blockchain technology, enabling banks to go beyond asymmetric encryption and caching in public keys. The deployment of blockchain enables authentication of users and device without password protection. The decentralization of the network helps in generating consciousness between different parties for verification through blockchain-based SSL certificates. The distributed and decentralized nature of the network that verifies the integrity of the transactions and associated account balances makes a successful task mathematically impossible. Enhancing structural security of IoT devices. Certain lockless distributed ledgers are additionally enhancing structural security of IoT devices. Devices in such network settings can recognize and interact with each other in peer-to-peer manner without the need for third-party authority, combined with two-factor authentication. Securing internal communication. In blockchain based systems, the metadata used for communication is scattered in a distributed ledger and cannot be collected at one centralized point. Privacy and security of digital chat. Coming to the benefits and applications of blockchain. 5 important blockchain benefits. Enhanced security. Your data is sensitive and crucial, and blockchain can significantly change how critical information is viewed. By creating a record that can't be altered and is encrypted end to end, blockchain helps prevent fraud and unauthorized activity. Privacy issues can also be addressed on blockchain by anonymizing personal data and using permissions to prevent access. Information is stored across a network of computers rather than a single server, making it difficult for hackers to view the data. Greater transparency. Without blockchain, each organization has to keep a separate database because blockchain has a distributed ledger transaction and data are recorded identically in multiple locations. All network participants with permissioned access sees the same information at the same time, providing full transparency. All transactions are immutably recorded and are time and date stamped. This enables the members to view the entire history of a transaction and virtually eliminates any opportunity of fraud. Instant traceability. Blockchain creates an audit trail that documents the provenance of an asset at every step of its journey. In industries where consumers are concerned about environmental or human rights issues surrounding a product, or an industry troubled by counterfeiting and fraud, this helps provide the proof. With blockchain, it's possible to share data about provenance directly with customers. Traceability data can also expose weakness in any supply chain, whereas goods might sit on a loading dock awaiting transit. Increased efficiency and speed. Traditional paper-heavy processors are time-consuming, prone to human error, and often require third-party mediation. By streamlining these processes with blockchain, transactions can be completed faster and more efficiently. Documentations can be stored on the blockchain along with transaction details, eliminating the need to exchange paper. There is no need to reconcile multiple ledgers, so cleaning and settlement can be much faster. Automation. Transactions can be automated with smart contracts, which increase your efficiency and speed the process even further. Once pre-specified conditions are met, the next step in transaction or process is automatically triggered. Smart contracts reduce human intervention as well as reliance on third parties to verify that terms of a contract has been met. In insurance, for example, once a customer has provided all necessary documentation to file a claim, the claim can be automatically settled and paid. These are some of the benefits and the unknowns of blockchain transactions. Blockchain also has potential applications far and beyond Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Financial services. In the financial services sector, blockchain technology has already implemented in many innovative ways. Blockchain technology simplifies and streamlines the entire process associated with the asset management and payments. This removes the need for brokers and intermediaries and ensures the transparency and effective management of transactional data. Healthcare. Blockchain can play a key role in the healthcare sector by increasing the privacy, security, and interoperability of the healthcare data. It eliminates the interference of a third party and also avoids the overhead costs. With blockchain, the healthcare records can be stored in distributed databases by encrypting it and implementing digital signatures to ensure privacy and authenticity. Government. Blockchain technology holds the power to transform government's operations and services. It can play a key role in improving the data transactional challenges in the government sector, which works in silos currently. The proper linking and sharing of data with blockchain enables the management of data between multiple departments. It improves the transparency and provides a better way to monitor and audit the transactions. CGP and retail. There is a huge opportunity for blockchain technology to be applied in the retail sector. This includes everything from ensuring the authenticity of high-value goods, preventing fraudulent transactions, locating stolen items, enabling virtual warranties, managing loyalty points, and streamlining supply chain operations. Travel and hospitality. The application of blockchain can be radically change the travel and hospitality industry. It can be applied in money transactions, storing important documentations like passports, other identification cards, reservations, and managing travel insurance, loyalty, and rewards. Whenever we have something bought into the world has its own advantages and disadvantages. Here are the advantages of the blockchain. Accuracy of the chain. Transactions on the blockchain network are approved by a network of thousands of computers. This removes almost all human involvement in the verification process, resulting in less human error and an accurate record of information. Even if a computer on the network were able to make a computational mistake, there could be only one made to a copy of the blockchain. Cost reductions. Typically, consumers pay a bank to verify transactions, a notary to sign a document, or a minister to perform a marriage. Blockchain eliminates the need for third-party verification with it and their associated costs. Decentralization. Blockchain does not store any of its information in a central location. Instead, the blockchain is copied and spread across a network of computers. Whenever a new block is added to the blockchain, Every computer on the network updates its blockchain to reflect the change. By spreading that information across a network rather than storing it at one central database, blockchain becomes more difficult to tamper with. If a copy of blockchain is fell into the hands of hackers, only a single copy of the information rather than the entire network would be compromised. Efficient transaction. Transaction can be completed in as little as 10 minutes and can be considered secure after just a few hours. This is particularly useful for cross-border trades, which usually take much longer because of the time zone issues and the fact that all parties must confirm payment processing. Private transaction. Many blockchain networks operate as a public database, meaning that anyone in an internet connection can view a list of network transaction history. Although user can access details about transactions, they cannot access identifying the information of the user making those transactions. It is a common misconception that blockchain networks like Bitcoin are anonymous, where in fact they are only confidential. Secure transaction. Once a transaction is recorded, its authenticity must be verified by the blockchain network. Thousands of computers on the blockchain rush to confirm that the details of the purchase are correct. After computer has validated the transaction, it is added to the blockchain block. This makes it extremely difficult for information on the blockchain to be changed without notice. Transparency. Most blockchains are entirely open source software. This means that anyone and everyone can view its code. This gives auditors the ability to review cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin for security. Getting to the disadvantages, technology cost. Although blockchain can save users money on transaction fees, the technology is far from free. Speed inefficiency. Bitcoin is a perfect case study for the possible inefficiencies of a blockchain. Bitcoin's proof of work system makes about 10 minutes to add a new block to the blockchain. At the rate, it's estimated that a blockchain network can only manage about 7 transactions per second. Illegal activity. While confidentiality of the blockchain network protects users from hacks and preserves privacy, it also allows for illegal trading and activity on the blockchain network. The most cited example of the blockchain being used for an illicit transaction is probably the Silk Road, an online dark web drug marketplace operating from February 2011 to October 2013, when it was shut down by the FBI. Regulation. Many in the crypto space have been expressed concern about the government regulations over cryptocurrencies. While it is getting increasingly difficult and near impossible to end something like a Bitcoin as its decentralized networks grow. 58 lakh members use Bitcoin around the world. It is a really big number. These are the places where Bitcoins and blockchains are used most frequently. Concluding the session, blockchain technology is revolutionary. It will make life simpler and safer, changing the way personal information is stored, how transactions for good services are made. Blockchain technology creates a permanent and immutable record of every transaction. This is impenetrable digital ledger makes fraud, hacking, data theft, and information loss impossible. The technology will affect every industry in the world, including manufacturing, retail, transportation, healthcare, and real estate companies as Google, IBM, Microsoft, American Express, Walmart, Nestle, Chase, Intel, Hitachi, and Dole are all working to become early adopters of blockchain. Nearly $400 trillion across various industries is said to be transformed by blockchain. I would like to